searching far and wide. Use Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch them all, you and me. I know it's my destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend.
Yo friends, I hope you're having an amazing day. If not, I'm gonna do my best to make it better. And today I got this to make your day better. Some Pokemon stuff bought at the supermarket, food market, yeah. So let's crack this open. We got a magazine. Ooh, lovely. Lovely, yeah. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. What's inside? Ooh, some cool stuff here. Yeah, nice. Oh, smell of new paper. Yeah, paint, Arcanine, and how many Salazzle is it? Probably. Yeah. Ooh, writing and find some words. Nice. Nice. And what more do we get? Oh, who's the ghost type Pokemon? It's nice. Oh god, it started raining. It's gonna be fast. Yeah. It's like, oh, cool. And something there, something there. It started raining, so yeah. Got some more here. I gotta stop. I'm gonna be right back. It's raining. So let's try it again. It stopped a little bit, so let's hurry up. There we go. Okay, let's see what's inside. And we can see what's inside. Some stickers, some rubber, and some tin to pencils. Now let's crack it open. So tell me in the description down. No, tell me in the comments down below. What do you think about this? Do you think it's worth buying? There we go. The stickers. That's some cool stickers. Yeah, I like them. The Charizard, of course, the Meowth. That's cool. Plastic on the ground. Yeah, I think it's awesome. And here we got the writing and painting papers. Awesome. That's great. Yeah. And the rubber. Eevee rubber. Cool. Yeah. And the Pikachu pen. Tin pen. Pen tin. Not much. Yeah, that's that. It's gonna be a very short video, but whatever. I hope I'm making your day better with just a little short video right here. Not so much sun right now, but it's gonna come back probably. Don't forget to check out Choose Wisely and go vote. We need your vote. And I hope you're having an amazing day. Forward now, and I'll see you all in the next video. You guys rock, so rock on, fellas!
Gotta catch 'em all.